Our day began in a beautiful slot canyon, hiking through a deep, narrow gorge among high, jagged walls, surrounded by unique shapes, natural arches, and rock spires. The canyon was eerily quiet, and the sense of peace and isolation was otherworldly.
10 hours later, our situation changed and not for the better. What we thought was an easy trail back to the highway and our base camp was anything but. Forced off trail into a remote area, we searched for another way out. However, there was no easy way out. Surrounded by sand, boulders, and drop offs, and with darkness rapidly closing in, we needed help. Our story begins right now.
This trip was special because our son Eric came along in his Jeep with his beautiful dog Murphy. Anza Borrego is the largest state park in California and one of the most unique desert ecosystems in the United States. The park covers about 640,000 acres. It is located in southeastern California near both the Salton Sea and Ocotillo Wells OHV area.
Inspiration Wash is an 8-mile point to point moderate trail in the park that follows a canyon through the western side of the Borrego Badlands. You'll encounter several technical challenges, including steep and deeply rutted hills and off camber sections, combined with narrow ravines and twisting canyon walls. High clearance and four-wheel drive are essential. The wash begins on a broad flat plain just off S-22, but shortly gives way to a steep, deeply rutted hill climb and descent, which leads into the narrowest section of the trail, which has several sharp twists and drops. After this, the wash opens back up again onto a wider plain. Much of the trail is covered in deep sand. Avoid the trail if it is raining or has rained recently.
Often are asked about our red wheels. They are made by Dirty Life, and Eric has the same red wheels. We both have Rubicons. Ours is a 24 with 37-inch tires and a 3.5-inch lift. Eric's is a 23 with 35-inch tires and a 2.5-inch lift. All the tires are Nitto Grappler mud terrain.
I came around a narrow corner and saw that there was a boulder blocking my path. Eric, who was behind me at the time, went over the bypass to our right, which was steep, about a 20% pitch up, and you couldn't see the other side. Fortunately, he got out and looked to check it out so that he avoided the drop-off on the left side. He then was in front of my Jeep, and he spotted me on the way down, which I greatly appreciated and definitely made it easier for me.
Descending Borrego Mountain Sandhill into the wash, it became obvious how much Murphy was enjoying the Jeep experience, going back and forth in the back seat, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells. And then when we stopped, her energy was unleashed, running through the sand.
Directly next to Anza Borrego is Ocotillo Wells OHV area, approximately 85,000 acres of magnificent desert open for off-highway exploration and recreation. A notable geological feature at Ocotillo Wells OHV area is gas dome, which is essentially a gas seep, a natural release of underground gas, primarily methane, that rises to the surface. Gas seeps like the one at Gas Dome can sometimes form bubbles or create small natural vents in the earth. Gas Dome is a definite must-see.
It was getting late in the day and the OHV traffic was increasing, so we decided to leave the area. We chose Campbell Wash, the most direct way to the highway. That decision turned out to be a mistake. We never made it.
Campbell Wash is approximately 5 miles long with minimal elevation change. Onyx Off-Road rates it as easy, which at first it was, but then it became progressively more difficult because of sand. At one point, we had to back up and take a different way within the wash. Finally, the sand became pretty overwhelming, and there was a sand drift that blocked the entire trail. That's when we exited the trail, having to self-recover both vehicles with a shovel and traction boards. We left the trail after approximately 1.5 miles.
The sand drifts often cause the Jeeps to be off camber by about 20% and sliding towards the wall on the passenger side. The soft sand made it difficult to gain purchase. Our Jeep, with Jim driving, actually slid into the wall, scraping the passenger side of the vehicle. Eric, following closely behind, learned momentum is your friend and did a great job handling this tough terrain.
Keep going. Give it gas. Give it gas. You're going to make it. Wow. What a great job. Look at that. Whoa. All right.
Boy, she'd love the sand dunes.
You heard that, right, Fran? Priority is getting the right shot.
I agree.
They're catching. Go, 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 go. Straight. Keep going. Keep going. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. Keep pushing. You're through. Have a great day. For fuck's sake. Yeah!
Hey, you did
job.
it. Nice job. Wow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Stop. Keep going, keep going. I'm sorry. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going.
I'm going. I go.
Yeah. Big Mo.
Oh my
God. All right.
He's
Hey, Murph.
man.
You did a great job there, Murph. Backseat driving. We love you, babe.
Oh my goodness. At
the end of the video, we reveal what happened after we called 911. While waiting, we viewed a beautiful atmospheric phenomenon called ice crystals. They were absolutely stunning.
Can you follow his hand?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
He seems to go forward.
Hold on, yeah, here.
Keep coming.
Straighten out a little bit. Down, come forward.
Forward.
Yeah.
Descending into the wash, our pitch was about 35% and our roll was greater than 15%. Was I nervous? Nah.
Oh, thank you ever so much.
Yep.
We're gonna go
Okay.
east on
Just
pole line.
make a right. You're
Yeah.
gonna head north.
Initially, rangers and 2 jeeps were dispatched to lead us out of the area. They told us that they were going to take Campbell Wash to reach us and then lead us out through the wash. Their ETA was 45 minutes, but they never reached us. Over 4 hours later, a ranger driving a side-by-side found us and led us out via BLM Route 176 and Pole Line Road, which is the route we were looking for based on Fran's navigation, but had to stop when it became too dark to continue safely. We are very grateful to all the rangers for their efforts and assistance. Thank you all very much.